To use a credit card on Venmo, you will need to add it as a payment method in the Venmo app. Start by opening the Venmo app and navigating to the Settings or Menus section, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Select the Payment Methods option. Then tap on Add Payment Method. You will see a list of available payment options, including credit cards. Choose the credit card option and enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to verify that the name on the credit card matches the name on your Venmo account. If the information is accurate, tap on Add Card to complete the process. Venmo may request additional verification, such as a one-time password sent to your phone or email, to confirm the credit card addition. Once the credit card is added, it will be listed as a payment method in the Venmo app. To use the credit card for a transaction, select it as the payment method when making a payment or sending money to someone. Keep in mind that using a credit card on Venmo may incur a small fee, usually around 3% of the transaction amount. It is essential to note that Venmo accepts major credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Before adding a credit card, ensure that it is eligible for use on Venmo. Additionally, be aware of the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement, as well as Venmo's user agreement, to avoid any potential fees or penalties. To avoid any issues, make sure your credit card is active and has sufficient funds for the transaction. Also, be cautious when using a credit card on Venmo, as it can lead to overspending if not managed properly. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and conveniently use a credit card on Venmo.